Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, market activity has slowed in the past week, and as such the market has remained relatively flat. Week over week, the main market lost 0.98% to close at 376,397.69 on June 10th. Likewise, the junior market lost 1.29% to close at 2,556.35. Overall, the combined index lost 1% during the week and is down 26.2% year to date. On the money market, the government of Jamaica auctioned $1.4 billion in treasury bills split evenly between the 3-month and 6-month tenors. The average yield on the 3-month T-bill is 1.28%, while the yield on the 6-month T-bill is 1.36%. On the bond market, the yield on the benchmark US 10-year Treasury rallied towards the end of the week ended June 5th, following the release of positive jobs data. The news sparked optimism in investors that the US economy could recover quickly once reopened. The yield on the benchmark Treasury closed the week at 0.9%. Activity on the market was muted at the beginning of the following week as investors awaited the chairman's report from the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee. On June 10th, Fed Chair Jerome Powell announced that the committee opted to keep interest rates unchanged and that the bond repurchase program would remain in place. He also noted that the Fed projects that the U.S. economy will decline by 6.5% in 2020 and that the unemployment rate will be 9.3% at the end of the year. Following the announcement, the yield on the U.S. 10-year Treasury fell by 10 basis points to close at 0.73%. On the foreign exchange market, the Jamaican dollar has continued to strengthen against its U.S. counterpart throughout the past week. The US dollar to Jamaican dollar pair closed in the broker market at Jamaican $142 to $1 US on June 10th, appreciating only 20 cents versus the June 3rd close. The Bank of Jamaica's weighted average selling rate fared better, appreciating $1.57 or 1.1% to close at $140.99 on June 10th. This was as a result of a large dealer continuing to supply US dollar liquidity directly to end users at sub-market rates. Year to date, the local dollar has depreciated by 6.3% against the US dollar. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.